Once in a great while, we experience something so amazing, so incredible that we can barely believe our eyes. And yet, what I am about to show you did happen to me one fateful day. It was on this occasion that I found myself strolling down Front Street to Louisiana Avenue and had stopped to admire our monument to our city's namesake, Commodore Perry. When all too quickly the sunny sky became cloudy and turbulent with dark, ominous clouds. And in no time it began to rain, but it didn't just rain, it poured, and then, before my eyes, it began raining cats and dogs. I had heard of this strange weather phenomenon, but to experience it was beyond belief. And since this was such an incredible occurrence, I knew I must do what any artist has to do: document the event with an artistic tool as comparable and as incredible as what I was witnessing. And the tool that I chose was my iPad, not only to illustrate the freak of nature event, but to show how I create the painting in an art app called Brushes. So with no further ado, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I present for your entertainment, Raining Cats and Dogs in Perrysburg. One of the fantastic things about my iPad is that it creates a behind-the-scenes movie of every stroke I make with my finger as I paint. Let's take a look as I begin outlining what I saw that day. Now here I'm going into my color palette, and then I'm going to choose a brush to begin coloring in Commodore Perry's face. Double tap the screen to take me in closer so I can work easier. Begin laying his face in, and then change colors and paint in his hair.
Oh, that's nice.
Here I can put down my finger to capture his face color again and to put in his ear. And then choose brown again to continue working on his hair. Pinching my fingers apart make the area expand so I can get in even closer. And another double tap takes me back out to the original size. Let's just watch this for a while. Watch out below! What the heck? Woof. Row. Well, that pretty much shows what I saw that day. Time to sign my signature. And now I'll take the painting into my computer, put it up onto my website, and also upload it to an online group I'm a member of so other artists can view and comment on it. Yeah, as if anyone's going to believe what happened that day. Well, who would have thought it? One day you're just casually walking down Front Street, enjoying the scenery, and the next thing you know, you're smack dab in the middle of one of nature's most incredible adventures. And what's just as incredible is to be able to document this strange creation of Mother Nature's by taking it from a loose sketch to a vibrant painting, all on a handheld studio. Hey, all done. It is such a fun time to be an artist.